recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters. Today, we're going to show you how to make a fish using origami. Let's begin. Step 1. Start with a square piece of paper and fold it in half horizontally and vertically to create creases. Then, unfold it. Step 2. Fold both top and bottom corners on the right side inward to meet at the center. Step 3. Now fold the two opposite sides outwards. Step 4. Fold the top in half to expose the other side and do the same for the bottom. Step 5. Fold the diamond shape in half. Step 6. Turn your paper over and draw an eye, scales, a smiling mouth, and gills. And there you have it, an adorable origami fish. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!